Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker water line in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker water line. The ice maker water line connects the water filter housing to the water tank assembly. The main reason for the ice maker water line replacement is if it cracks, causing a water leak. So we are at the back of the fridge, and we're going to start with removing this couple of covers. I'm taking out that Phillips screw here. I'm going to lift this up and free this tab here in the corner and a couple of tabs on the top. Slide it out. I'm going to put it on the top, screw in there. Then we are going to take a couple of Phillips screws here to remove this cover. Next step would be pushing on this collar and removing this water line from the 90 degrees elbow. All right, so now we can walk to the front of the fridge, open the left side door, and now we need to take off this cover. The water tank assembly is located behind this cover, and the cover is held in place by one Phillips screw right in there. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. Going to take the screw out. All right, so we're going to pull up on this cover, and we can release the shelf. Okay, let's place the towel on the floor right under the door. Also, if you wish, you can put a small container there. Pull out the water tank assembly, and we need to remove this water line. So press in the locking collar and pull out the line. Careful. Let the water tank assembly down slowly. And now we're going to move up to the top of the fridge. We need to remove this hinge cover. It's held in place by a single Phillips screw. We're going to take it out. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to lift up the cover. All right, that's out of the way. What you see here is the water line that is covered by this metal spring, which is used for the protection of the plastic tubing. We're going to pull it out, and at the same time I'm going to feed the tube from the back. And I'm going to pull this out. Now I'm going to pull this line out of the door. This is the old ice maker water line next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to feed in a new water line into the fridge. I'm going to start with this end with the red cap on it. Bend it slightly so it will go in. And then feed it in. And watch it coming out from the back. Then what we do, we're going to slide that spring on the tube. And I'm going to push it in here, and we're going to slide this in with a black tube into the door. And the spring goes on the top into the both openings. Now we can install the hinge cover. It slides under that metal plate here. And then we're going to push it down, so it will lock in front too. And now we can secure it with the Phillips screw right in here. All right, so let's fish out that line, and I'm going to move this sleeve back on the tube to serve as an extra protection at the band spot. About that far, and I'm going to push it into the water tank assembly all the way in. All right, and now we can install it back in. Let's remove the towel. So let's place the cover on with this frame goes over that latch here. And I'm going to press the right side in. Then I'm going to put the screw in just a couple of turns. And push it back just a little bit, and we can install this shelf on. It's gonna lock on the top of this cover, so press in the cover, and then we can tighten the screw using that Phillips screwdriver. And now we can close the door. So we're here at the back again. Remove this cap, and we're gonna connect this line into the coupling by pressing it all the way in. Make sure it stays. All right, so I place this cover on, and we're gonna secure it with the couple of Phillips screws. I'm going to install this cover. The two tabs on the top goes into these slots, and the small one goes right in there. I'm going to place it up, slide it, and this line goes in here, and this goes right in here. Yep. No escape. Push it in, and then we're going to secure it with a Phillips screw. Plug the fridge in. Open the water and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.